guys and welcome back to my channel. I'm pretty sure that by the thumbnail and by the title of this video you will know what look I'm going to be filming. Today I will be recreating the Kardashian West Met Gala 2018 look. I fell in love with the look she had. I was so inspired by Kim K's look, so I decided to do my own. So this is my version of it. I hope you guys like it and let's get on with the video. For this look I'm going to be using Scotch tape to get that defined and harsh look on my eyes. So I did my best to try and find as much pictures as possible to see what look she has, but she didn't have any pictures like looking down or with her eyes closed, so I couldn't really tell what type of eye look it was, but I'm pretty sure it was like neutral warm eyelids and a super harsh bold like winged liner and lower lash. First color I'm going to be taking is Rustic, which is this color right here. This is from the Soft Glam palette by Anastasia Beverly Hills. And I'm going to be taking that in my crease. I'm also going to be putting this color on my outer corner. Now I'm also going to be taking this shade right here called Burnt Orange, and I'm going to be basically packing this all over here just to blend the two colors together. Just to have a soft color on the lid. As you can see from this photo right here, wait a sec, she has a very bold and dark eyeliner. What I'm gonna do is I'm first going to start off by a powder and run it through my lash line, and then I'm going in with a liquid eyeliner and intensify the black. So to pack the black on the lash line you need to have a very dense and flat brush, so I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills brush, and I'm going to take Noir. First I'm going to run this through my lower lash line very closely, and I'm doing this because she has a very soft and blended winged liner. Now I'm going to take a little bit of this color. This is called Cypress Amber, and I'm going to take a tiny bit of that and blend the winged liner. So now for the liner I'm going to take this NYX Epic Ink liner in black. This is a pen liner. This is what it looks like. I'm going to line my upper lash line with this. I'm not going to take it this high up. I'm going to leave it as close as possible to the lash line. Sorry guys, I went off camera because I literally suck at winged liners, but I think I somehow did it. Okay, so I'm going again back in with that black color, and I'm going back again on that winged liner and try and smoke it a little more out. Okay, so moving on to the face, she doesn't really have much highlight going on. I feel like this time her skin is more matte looking. Firstly, I'm going to start with primer as usual. Today I'm taking the Freedom Pro Studio All Control Base. For foundation I'm going to use the Too Faced Born This Way foundation. I'm going to try and get that warmth back in my face with bronzer. To highlight under my eyes, I'm going to take this Maybelline Fit Me concealer. To set my under eyes, I'm going to take the Laura Mercier translucent loose setting powder. And to set the rest of my face, I'm going to take Rimmel Stay Matte powder. This is in 001 transparent. Now to bronze up my face, I'm going to take this NYX matte bronzer. This is in the shade Dark Tan. And I'm going to take that on the Morphe Y9 brush. For highlighter, I'm going to take the AMREZY highlighter. I'm going to take the slightest amount of this because her skin looks more matte than glowy. So moving back to the eyes, I'm going to take the ColourPop Creme Gel Liner in Swerve. And I'm going to be lining my waterline with this. Wow. I never line my waterline. This is so... Okay, so moving on, I'm going to take that same black noir color with that same Anastasia Beverly Hills brush, and I'm going to place this very, very, very closely to my waterline. Now I'm going to take a mixture of rustic and cypress amber, and I'm going to blend that black. Now for lashes, I'm going to take these lashes. These are very full and wispy. These are the Goddess lashes from Koko Lashes. This is what the box looks like. Hers look very, very full and wispy, so I thought these would be the perfect pair for this look. So I'll pop these lashes and I'll be ready for mascara. I'm going to take the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara and I'm going to coat my lower lashes. Now for lips, she has a very nude lipstick. She also has a very ombre lip. She has a darker color on the outer part, and on the middle she has a very almost no color at all. So the lipstick that I'm going to be taking is this ColourPop Ultra Satin Lip. This is a mini one, it's in the shade Strip. And to get that very light color on the center, I'm actually going to take some concealer and I'm going to pat it with my finger. And to seal everything in place, I'm going to take the Gerard Cosmetics Layer Day Setting Spray. This is in the watermelon scent. So thank you so much for watching and hope you guys enjoyed, and hopefully I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys!